GadInsider has brought you a step-by-step guide to booting your Mac. Is your MacBook refusing to boot up properly? It must be frustrating, but there is no need to head to an Apple store, as one should first try some tips and tricks that may help you run your device properly again. GadInsider has brought you a step-by-step guide to booting your Mac. Here's how to troubleshoot MacBook. Restart MacBook. If the MacBook screen goes blank, then restart it first following these steps. Press and hold the power button until the Mac turns off. Press and release the power button to restart the system. If it was a temporary bug, your device may start working properly. Try macOS Recovery Console. If the previous step doesn't work, then press and hold the power button until your Mac turns off. Press and hold the power button to see the startup options screen, showing a startup disk and a settings icon. Now select options and then continue. You will see an option to reinstall macOS or restore from a backup. Disk Utility Help. Open Disk Utility, a repair tool that may save you a reinstall. Now choose View Show All Devices. Select your startup disk on the left. Click First Aid and then Run. If the system drive is still not showing up, visit the official Apple support page for help. However, if your disk is showing up, open the Apple menu and click Restart. If this works, your Mac will boot up. Boot up in safe mode. You also have the option of loading up macOS safe mode, but Disk Utility is a better option. Reinstall macOS. Go back to the list of utilities, choose Reinstall macOS from the list, and follow the on-screen instructions, and your macOS will be reset and work. If your system isn't starting even after trying all the above steps, then there could be a more fundamental problem with your hardware. Ensure your Mac is connected to power and that you're using a working power cable. After that, press and hold the Mac's power button until it turns off, then press the power button again to restart. If the issue remains, reset the Mac System Management Controller chip as one last troubleshooting step, or contact Apple support directly for further assistance.